and welcome to another Maileroo video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect your CPanel account with our Maileroo DNS records. So this one's a little bit more delicate as in most cases when operating with CPanel, you'll have a lot more records on hand that implemented by default. So we're going to show you how to edit some of them, make new records so that it doesn't conflict or interfere with any of your existing ones. So starting off, what we want to do is we want to go to Maileroo and we want to go add domain. So we're going to add our domain in here, and this will open up our DNS records for the domain. And as you can see here, everything's unverified. So we're going to begin this process by scrolling down back to our cPanel, and we're going to be looking for the zone editor. So we're going to click this in our domain section. And you'll see here our domains, and we're going to click manage. And you'll see a lot of different records that potentially might pop up here. Do not worry too much about it. We'll show you how to navigate that. So what we're doing here, we're going to start off with the SPF record. So we're going to copy this portion of it, and we're going to scroll down and find the SPF that exists already. And we're going to just paste this portion of it in here. And there you go. That way, we're not interfering with anything else. We're just going to paste that in there, and we're going to hit Save Record. So for the next one, we're going to do the DKIM. And we're going to move this to a CNAME record. And we're going to copy the host name for this one. We're just going to add a record, go CNAME. We're going to add that one in. And then we're going to copy this across. And we're going to hit Save Record. And next, we're going to do the MX records. So for this one, there might be existing ones, there might not be. You can filter it in your cPanel, as you can see here. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're just going to delete these, and we're going to show you a fresh new startup for this one. And now we're just going to add record, find MX, just going to put the name in there and the priority for that one with the destination. And then we're going to do the same for our second one. This will be MX2. We're going to save record. So next we're going to do the DMARC. We're going to add the record. Make this a TXT and then save record. And then our last one, which is the custom tracking domain. We're going to add that name in, and we're going to find the CNAME, and we're going to add our record in. Hit save, and we've now added in all the records that we need. So you can scroll down and see them in this list just to verify and double check that you've done it correctly. So now we can go back to our Maileroo and we can verify this DNS record. Please note this might take a little bit longer than others. It might be quicker. It just varies. So you can refresh this page or continue to click verify over a period. And there you go. As you can see, we've had a few of the records pop up. You can wait a little bit longer just for some of them to be verified, and there you go. So now we have a fully verified Maileroo or a domain in our Maileroo account.